Hello everyone. After discussing about the fundamental concepts on inspection and quality control, different types of inspection and the different sampling plans, we are going to discuss a new concept on uh, factors influencing the quality of manufacture. So let us see in detail. So these are the 6 major factors that influences the quality of a manufacturing process. So first one is money, then material, management, people, market, machine and methods. So let us see in detail what is the role of these factors in the maintaining the quality. First of all, money. Money is the most important and essential factor that influences the quality of a product because money is involved in every stages of the production. And in this present day of the tough and cut competition, companies are always forced to invest a lot of money in maintaining the quality of the product. Example, you can see automobile sectors, Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai. They are the companies which are producing the cars. And Maruti Suzuki is economy wise better, and Hyundai quality wise engine parts are very much better. So you have to prefer according to the price and also the quality. So this all depends on the money factor that is affecting the quality of the products. So next is materials. A raw materials means here the raw material, and the raw material is the very much important criteria for producing the high quality product, because raw material is essential in every production process. And when the raw material is having high quality, then you can say the products are having high quality. Like example, you can say uh, Indian Oil is a public sector organization, and it is taking propylene gas as the raw material to produce polypropylene plastic. So the layout can be given as below. This is the propylene gas which is distilled, or first the distillation of the propylene gas is done to form polypropylene, which is a high grade plastic. And this high grade plastic is used as raw material in many plastic industries to make plastic components. As you are able to see, every plastic components, these are having high quality, then it is made up of high grade polypropylene. So polypropylene, propylene gas is the raw material in Indian Oil, and it is producing polypropylene as a product, and this will become the raw material for many industries, many plastic industries which will produce household utensils or any type of chair tables like this plastic components. So the raw materials should be of high grade quality in order to maintain the quality of the products. Next, management. Obviously, management has a very important role in maintaining the quality control, maintaining the quality and the maintenance of the objects. So quality control and the maintenance programs should have support from the top management. That means top management should always support in maintaining the quality. That means the management should be quality conscious, not quantity conscious, because when the management will support these quality control programs, then only the products will be quality specific and the company reputation will be enhanced or increased, so that the customer satisfaction will be done, and it will benefit the company. So the management of the company should always support the quality control programs and the maintenance programs to maintain high quality of the products. Next, people. Here people means employees which are employed in production process in the companies. So the people employed in the production in designing of the products must have knowledge and experience in the respective areas, because the knowledge and idea and their experience in all the respective areas of the production will make the high quality products, so that the products will be error free. There should not be any error present, and the product will be widely acceptable by the customers, so that the customer satisfaction will be fulfilled. Next, market. So market for the product must exist before the quality of the product is emphasized by the management. So you have to check first whether there is a demand of that product or not. So according to that you have to uh, take that product granted for the quality maintenance purpose. For example, there is a no demand for AC or coolers in the cold climate because we are not using that. Similarly, there is no requirement of room heaters, woolen garments during the hot climatic conditions. So, a company which is producing hot woolen garments, if they set up a company during the hot climatic summer conditions, it may not run, it will not run. So, it depends on the market conditions and the environmental conditions also to have the product demand. Okay, so that's why the market is an essential factor before going to the quality, maintaining the quality of the product. So first the market should be inquiry. We should inquiry about the market or demand of the product, then we will switch over to the quality purpose of the product. And the next last one, machines and methods. To maintain high standards of the quality, obviously high upgraded technology is needed, and this is done by the new machines, upgraded machines. So companies always invest a lot of money in new machines, following new trends of technology, following new procedures. So machines and their methods are a very much important role in maintaining the high standard of quality. Example, you can say in Bhubaneswar there is a CTTC, that is Central Tool Room and Training Center, and it is famous for producing very high quality products. And nowadays it is using a machine, that is a 3D printing machine, and it is the most advanced manufacturing process, and it uses 3D printing technology that is a new and advanced technology to produce high quality and the complex design of the product. Any design you can give, it can produce that by layer wise manufacturing process. Similarly, different oil refineries uses advanced technology to refine oil from the crude, like oil and natural gas company ONGC, Indian Oil, IOCL, HPCL, BPCL, all are producing the refined oil by using the new and the advanced technologies. So these technologies and the machines methods are very important in order to maintain the quality of the products they are producing. For example, this is the example figure of a 3D printing machine. You can see it in CTTC Bhubaneswar, and this is using a very advanced technology, so that the design is fed up in this computer. Any design you can give here, it will be produced in the component layer wise manufacturing process in this chamber. So it is using a advanced technology in order to produce the components. So the components, machine, methods, this is the very advanced machine also, and utilizing advanced methods and new methods. So machine and methods having a very important role in maintaining the quality of the products and the quantity of the products also. So these all factors are very much essential in maintaining the qualities of the manufacturing process. So you have to take care of all these factors while maintaining and producing the products. So thank you.